Welcome to the Monster Science Lab! Science is full of fun surprises! Woohoo! Red!
Yellow experiment! Let's mix it up! Wow! Look at it glow! The blue experiment! Let's pour this liquid in. Wow, look at those big bubbles go! And see the digital fish swim. Science is so much fun! Let's make something green. Wow, look at it go! Let's mix blue and yellow. In goes the blue. Now for the yellow. Wow, it turned green! Welcome to our big rainbow science party. Let's see what happens when we mix red and blue. Look at all the beautiful colors. Science is absolutely amazing. Hi, little scientists. Let's mix colors. Blue and yellow make... Wow, look at it swirl. It's green. Today we are mixing red and yellow. Let's pour the yellow in. Wow, look, it's turning orange. It is magical orange bubbles. Welcome to my super fun lab. Let's pour in some bright blue. Now we add the bright yellow. Look, it is turning green. Mixing colors is like magic. See you next time, friends. Today we are mixing red and blue. Let's pour them in and see. Look, it is turning bright purple. Let's count some colorful test tubes. 1, 2, 3. Look at them glow! Hi, let's count together. Look at these beakers. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we have 5, and that makes 6. Let's dance.
Let's count them. 8, 9, 10. Wow!
Look at the circle. Today, let's discover the magic of triangles. 1, 2, 3. 3 sides make a perfect triangle. This shape is absolutely everywhere. Let's build with perfect squares. Look at the rainbow colors. We did it! Let's make some bright stars. Press the star button. Wow, it's raining stars! Glowing stars! Science is so much fun! Welcome to my super fun lab! Today we have a shiny red apple. Let us take a closer look. Wow, it looks so crunchy on the big screen. Science is so exciting!
Let's test this shiny red apple. Wow, it is perfect! Wow, it is perfect!
Today we are testing this shiny red apple. Let us take a closer look. Wow, look at that big screen! This apple is perfect! Soft banana! Welcome to the watermelon test! Wow, it is working! Look at those sparkling slices! Let's test these yummy carrots. Look at them spin! Welcome to the broccoli test. Let's take a closer look.
Wow, it looks like a forest of tiny trees. Whoa, science is delicious.
Big! Small! Wow, look at these 2 bottles. This one is so tall, and this one is so short. Big and small.
About heavy and light. Wow, this pumpkin is heavy. Look, the lemon is light. Today we will learn about heavy and light. Big pumpkin is very heavy, but this tiny lemon is so light. Today we learn about floating. Will this big ball sink or float? Look! Yes! See you next time!
Will this heavy metal spoon sink or float? Let's find out together. Wow, it's straight to the bottom. Will this big apple sink or float? Look! It floats! Wow, this soup is super warm. And this juice is very cold. Let us explore hot and cold.
Hey! Huh? Wow!
Hello, little scientists! Are you ready to explore? Science is so much fun! You did a great job today! See you next time! Bye!